In this video, we are doing question on bit error probability for FSK signal, and this question is from GATE 2014 set 2. So it says that a coherent orthogonal binary FSK modulation is used to transmit two equiprobable symbol waveforms. So S1t is the first waveform alpha cos 2 by f1t, and S2t is the second waveform alpha cos of 2 by f2t. So these waveforms are transmitted using binary FSK modulation, and value of alpha is given. Next, we are given that this transmission is happening to a additive white Gaussian noise channel, AWGN channel. It is additive white Gaussian noise channel. So with two-sided noise power spectral density N0 by 2 equal to 0.5 into 10 to power minus 12 watt per hertz. Now we have to use the relation Q of V equal to 1 upon under root of 2 pi. This is the standard relation. We all know this. So we have to find the bit error probability for a data rate of 500 kbps. Now we know that the standard formula for probability, bit error probability for FSK signal is Q into AC square TV by N naught whole under root. This is the formula for bit error probability for FSK signal to N naught. So AC value we are given as 4 millivolt. So we will substitute the values Q into 4 into 10 to power minus 3 whole square upon 2. N naught is given as 2 into 0.5 into 10 to power minus 12. So 2 into 2 into 0.5 into 10 to power minus 12. And we are given data rate. So this when this data rate is given, so this TV will be 1 upon 500 kbps. So 500 into 10 to power 3. So if you solve it, you will get Q into, this is the whole under root. So this 2 into 0.5 will become 1. And this 2 into 500 into 10 to power 3 will become 10 to power 6. And so this 10 to power 6 and 10 to power minus 12. So this will also become 10 to power minus 6 and 16. So we will get whole Q of under root of 16. So this will be equal to Q of 4. So the correct option is option C, Q of 4. So this question is directly based on formula the bit error probability for FSK. This is the formula for FSK signal, AC square TV upon 2 N naught. Now AC value we are given as 4 millivolt, that is the carrier signal, and N naught value we are given, and we are given data rate. So TV will be equal to 1 upon 500 into 10 to power 3. So just substitute the values and you will get the answer Q of 4. So this is direct formula based and very easy question. Thank you.